Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can connect QuickBooks Online to Airtable so that you will be able to manage your financial data and workflows efficiently. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course log into your Airtable account, and once you've successfully logged in, you will basically look for the marketplace section here, and what you will do is click that and then you will search for QuickBooks Online. Then you will click install and click connect to QuickBooks Online, and then you will just have to authorize the QuickBooks access, and then you will select company file. And then after that, you will map fields from QuickBooks to Airtable tables, and then you will click save and sync, and you will just have to review the sync data and set up automatic sync if desired. And by the way, you could also use filters and views in Airtable to manage invoices, customers, and payments effectively. And that's basically just it. QuickBooks Online should now be connected to your Airtable. Thank you and have an awesome day.